everyone, Anton here
And Anastasia.
with Ukraine Animal Rescue. And today we have huge news for you. Behind us, a land plot that was given to us. It is ours by local community for our cause, for things we do, for animals that we rescue. We were given 6,000 6,000 square square meters or 64,000 square feet, which is about acre and a half of land that we can build our facility. Note, this village yesterday was population 0. Today it is population 2 people, 10 dogs, and 8 cats. And of course, we have to build the facility. Meanwhile, let us show us what we got. From this landmark is 60 meters that way and 100 meters that way, or approximately 200 feet and 320 feet. It's a square land plot, huge, virgin, never been built anything, never been touched, or perhaps something was here at some point. But since 1980s, there's 0 people live here, no electricity, no natural gas, nothing. So it is all our land. That little forest, this meadow, it's all ours. Huge land plot. Again, acre and a half. Now, it's obviously gonna need some work. But look at this beautiful forest. Look at this pine tree. I also think this stuff is ambrosia, but luckily Anastasia and I are not allergic to this stuff. So yeah, it's We're behind the forest. There's another meadow, and it's all surrounded by century-old trees. We're in the middle of forest. It is beautiful. And again, yesterday population 0, today population 2.